The specific gravity of turpentine is approximately 0.86, meaning it is 0.86 times as dense as water and will float on top of it much like oil will. The decanter has a turpentine overflow and condensate underflow with an interface between the two liquid phases. By setting an adjustable weir on the condensate underflow, the turpentine height in the decanter is maintained hydrostatically between 2 and 5 feet. This provides enough turpentine volume to avoid condensate carryover to the storage, while maximizing retention time in the decanter for separation. Maintaining the temperature of the decanter between 40 and 50 degrees Celsius is important for decanter efficiency as well as for safety. If the temperature falls below 40 degrees Celsius, emulsions can occur in the presence of black liquor lignin. An emulsion is an off-white colored liquid with a specific gravity between that of turpentine and water. Once an emulsion occurs, separation of turpentine is not possible. For this reason, it is best to keep black liquor carrying over to the decanter. Keeping the temperature below 50 degrees Celsius minimizes turpentine loss to the NCG line and the subsequent risk of explosion. The storage tank is a flooded design to prevent severe vapor space corrosion and to minimize the explosion risk. The turpentine overflows from the decanter to the top of the storage. This displaces condensate out of the bottom through a hydraulic water leg to the condensate sump. This hydraulic water leg is above the elevation of the top of the storage to ensure that the tank is full at all times. The volume of turpentine in the storage is checked by sample valves spaced a foot apart on the side of the tank. Each foot represents about 1,000 US gallons, giving a total volume of 20,000 gallons. When the turpentine volume reaches 15,000 gallons, the turpentine is burned in the number 5 burner of the power boiler. When burning turpentine, it is important that the condensate padding valve is open to maintain the storage tank level. If not, the pump supplying the burner will run dry as the suction comes off near the top of the storage. The blue-handled valve on the NCG line at the top of the decanter is used to maintain a proper vacuum of 1.5 inches of water column. The NCG line should be warm to the touch. If it is cold downstream of the vacuum breaker, but warm upstream, then the seal likely needs replacing. A leaky seal can dilute the concentrated NCGs into the explosive range and should be replaced as soon as possible. Another important safety feature on the NCG line is the flame arrestor. If the pressure drop across it is more than 1 inch of water column, then it needs cleaning.